Fucking AI bots.
By the way, did so many people leave because of map is missing? Because I've heard a lot of people are missing this map for some stupid reason.
The fuck, that is wild. I've never had the map is missing problem. I mean, back in like
since the last update, some people have had issues with pre-installed maps not being correct. Either the version is different from what they have, or they don't even have the map. I don't know what the fuck they did, but I know they just fucked up.
Well, all you have to do to fix that is go to your map files and delete the VMT or whatever.
Can I delete myself in the game files? Yup. Yeah, I want to delete myself. Ow. Ow. Very loud.
I love how there's always
that one no-vote. I had Gronk figure out this guy's location. What if he doesn't want to place a fucking dispenser there?
Ammo!
Well, you're gonna get Ubered anyways.
Let's get him! Let's get him!
You're gonna die.
Oh no!
They both died.
I didn't have ammo.
Just buy more ammo, duh.
God. Bad.
But you suck at... What, you suck at TF2? Just become better, dude.
Engineers, the team when the engineer does not dispense, have a dispenser in 22 seconds.
Put dispenser here. How does this dispenser even make ammo and heal people? How does it work? What does it do?
I think it has a name on it. And like, the ammo, I assume we just grab it.
Yeah, but it's just a computer. How does it do that? Well, teleportation seems logical, but how does a piece of computer heal someone? It is a computer. How does a computer get out ammo, and how does it heal someone?
It thinks very hard.
So this is what the people say with Gen AI. So you're telling an AI just to heal someone? Yeah, your wife is actually not real. What is a wife? I only know,
I love the sound effect. Some dynamite.
We should add the Rainbow Six characters to Team Fortress 2. Yeah. Society and Stupidity join. Okay.
I mean, I feel like that's just the same purpose.
Solid Snake from Rainbow Six Siege. I don't think that Solid Snake is from Rainbow Six Siege.
But is he actually?
I thought he is from Hit Game Among Us. guys don't have any game Among Us?
Really detail what the game is.
You're in a spaceship with beams, and the beams kill each other. It's some very intense shit. Beams do correlate to the Among Us lore. At least I would say so. Easiest cap of my life. Oh shit. Help, help, please. There's an engineer. Help, there's an engineer I can't fight.
Nobody will help you. You will fight him alone.
Dude. Piece of shit. My gun does 0 damage.
Yeah, I could take a robot. Fight, right? Fight.
We have secured.
What if we add CS 1.6 can you hop into 2
CS 188, quite.
Alright guys, we won this. Easy, bro.
Jump everybody.
What's that? Set it to extreme mode?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind.
Where'd they all go?
Super easy mode. You need to go super easy.
Where'd everybody go? Did they go?